I'm down here at Arrowhead Stadium. I'm with the Kansas City Chiefs, formerly the Dallas Texans. Dallas Texans won the AFL Championship in '63. Then they came up to a suburb of Dallas, 500 miles north. Cowboys will be here October 11th. That's why the Chiefs are revamping the stadium. Now they're paying tribute to America's team, Cowboys. By touching up the stadium with silver, baby, silver. Thank you, Kansas City Chiefs. It's an honor. It's all about them Dallas Cowboys, baby, Cowboys. TTC, CNS, love y'all, peace. Cowboys, baby!
Well, I might take a plane, I'll get this train. If I have to walk